Today, you are going to learn one thing about the temperatures of Yuma, San Diego, Pongo Pongo, and Chicago. Four cities around the world at different latitudes and mostly within 500 feet of the ocean. But they have different distances from the ocean. Also, you're going to learn not just the content or the concept, you're going to learn how to use Google Docs to create a spreadsheet and a graph. If you're already good at it, you're welcome to take off, but if I were you, I'd listen for just a few minutes to see what to do. First, go into your Google Docs, click on Create, and go to Spreadsheet. We want to give your spreadsheet a name. Now, this is what we're looking at here. We've got four cities and we've got yearly temperatures. So let's give it a title something like I know that's kind of boring, but in science you really want the title to reflect what's going on. Now, we're going to have Yuma under B, San Diego under C, Pongo Pongo, and yes, it really is said that way, Pongo Pongo. It's not Pago Pago. I used to live in Fongongongo, which is a little bit harder to say than Pongo Pongo. Okay, I know it seems a little weird that we left A out, but that's because column A is going to become our months. Because I'm a lazy typer, I will I will enter the first three letters of each month, which is standard procedure. Okay. Now, I'm just going to do the first few months and you'll see what's going on. 56, 57, 83, and 25. 56, tab, 57, tab, 83, tab, and 85. Hit return and it goes to the next cell. Right here, 58, 58, 83, and 29. 58, tab, 58, tab, 83, tab, and 29. Oh, what happens if you hit tab? You go to the wrong cell. What do? Return twice and it'll get you back. Let's go to March. 63, 60, 83, and 39. 39? Whoa, that's crazy. 63, 60, 83, and 39. Oh, let's do one more month. 70, 62, 80, and 50. Wait, 70, 62, 83, and 51. Uh-oh. I bet some of you caught that. Now, you're going to enter the rest of the data all the way to December, but there's no need for me to do that. Next, we're going to make a chart out of this. So, oops, that was weird. Highlight everything from there down to your bottom piece of data. So the top left to the bottom right, highlight, go to Insert, and it's called a chart. We want row 1 to be headers, and we want this kind of graph, and let's go for it. I think that's good enough. Now we can go back and give it a title if we need to. And we can move and resize it. Now this is a little bit tricky. I always have trouble doing this. I ended up moving my spreadsheet. Sorry about that. Ah, I screwed it up, so I will hit Command Z. Oh, totally screwed that up. Just hit Command Z a few times, And hopefully I will eventually be able to move this thing around. Well, you know what? I'm grabbing the background. It's a little bit slow, but you get the idea. Once you're done with this, either take a screenshot of it or copy the URL from this and use it for your answers. Put the URL as the answer to one of the questions in your assignment, and remember to share this with me. In this case, you'll have to share, and don't let me edit it. Just say that I can view, and then you can click share and save, and it won't let me share it with myself, which is a little weird to try. Alrighty, that's it. Thanks for watching.